Hello, this is NetMaven. Today we're going to create external L3 connections to non-VXLAN fabric. External connectivity is from data centers is a prime request. And VXLAN EVPN-based data center fabric like a greenfield and a brownfield provide east to west connectivity by distributing IP MAC reachability information. In my greenfield fabric, the border leaf switch BL1 provides external L3 connectivity using VRF Lite to all connecting out of the fabric. So these steps, I will show you how to create the external fabric that's required by NDFC. So I will show you is to create the external L3 fabric that is required by NDFC to extend a VRF to an external fabric device. So NDFC can create external fabrics and manage the external device if there are Nexus 9000, size 7000, or 5600 series switches. It can be ASR 9000 or NCS 5000. Okay, so NDFC not only will generate and push the configuration that is required for one or more leaf switches acting in the border. Leaf row is going to be a border, my border. I will also maintain the platform configuration compliance with this external L3 fabric. So in the fabric panel, we're going to still create a greenfield and brownfield. What we're going to do is to create a new fabric. Fabric name, we're going to make EXT L3. And we're going to pick a fabric. So remember, it's external fabric. We're going to make sure the fabric use the correct type. So this is external connectivity network. Select this. And we still have AS number 565333. That's my external fabric X3 network. Okay, and we're going to deselect fabric monitor mode. Okay, we will be configuring the fabric. So save it. We're creating a external L3 fabric. Let's click into the external 3 fabric and go to switch, and we're gonna click action to add a switch. Switch we're gonna add to 198.18.4.111. Gonna add it this switch external router. Okay. Discover. Now, click external router. It shows manageable. Okay, added this. Now showing switch added closed, and we're gonna set a role. So what a role is gonna be? what row is gonna be? It's gonna be my edge router. Okay. Now we're going to deploy this external L3 fabric at the top right of the EXT L3 fabric. We're going to take action, click recalculate, and deploy. So when I create the side 1 greenfield fabric, I will set my side 1, the fabric setting, under resources to provision VRF light externally. Remember, I provisioned VRF light in the resources. And we're going to auto deploy both sub interface and BGP configuration for external connections. So my border leaf and external router, as I saw when I created L3 external fabric, have detected each other. So the provisioning of the sub interface with the IP address and the BGP configuration can happen for both. So let's go to NDFC, deploy it. Okay, close. What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do to go back to LAN fabric, and we're gonna click side 1 greenfield, and we're gonna synchronize side 1 with NDFC with the new external L3 fabric. In the top panel level action here, we're gonna do one more. Recalculate. Okay, so this synchronization helps in performing some automatic configuration and deployment from the side 1 VXLAN fabric to the L3 fabric external router, and it's to stage the IPs and use the sub interface between my border leaf and the external router. Okay, now I'm seeing the lines pending. Let's take a look. Okay, so let's deploy. On my border leaf pending some configurations. Deploy completed, closes. Because I now wanted to extend my tenant overlay externally out of my side 1 fabric, so we're going to return VRFs and deploy my blue VRF to the side 1 blue VRF. Okay, blue VRF is L3. 2 is gonna be deployed to border leaf. So before I only deploy the VRF to what is L1, leaf 1, leaf 2.
Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below. Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below.